Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create SNS topic in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in AWS console. Here click on services and then click on application integration. Here you can find simple notification service. Click on simple notification service. Here in create topic, give any meaningful name and then click next step. In details, standard is good for our testing purpose. Then scroll down to the bottom and click on create topic. As you can see, our topic is created successfully. Now scroll down to the subscriptions, and first of all we need to create a subscription for our SNS topic. So click on create subscription. In protocol, choose email, and in endpoint give email ID where you want to receive all the SNS notifications. After providing email ID, scroll down to the bottom and click on create subscription. As you can see, our subscription is created successfully. Now again click on my-test-topic 0092. Here scroll down to the subscription. If we check the status of our subscription, you can see which is pending. It means we need to go to our email ID and confirm our subscription. For this, log in with your email ID, which I am already logged in. Click on this tab. Here you can see we have one AWS notification. Click on it and here you can see confirm subscription. Click on it. As you can see, now our subscription is confirmed. Close this tab. Now again come back to simple notification service. Click on it. Now here refresh this page and again scroll down. Here you can see now our status is confirmed. Now scroll up and click on publish message. Give any subject for your message. After providing subject, scroll down to the bottom and type any message body. After typing message, scroll down and click on publish message. Here you can see our message published successfully and set to our email ID. If I again come back to Gmail ID and click on inbox, here you can see we have received one AWS notification in our promotions. Click on promotions and click on our notification. Here you can see subject of this notification is welcome and body is welcome to OneMinuteLab. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.